Yeah, so we're here at the field school in Peru, and we've had a great time so far. First, learning in the classroom about different topics that have to do with malaria research and other vectors and things in Peru, and the challenges that can come with working in the field here.
I think it's very unique that these classes combine the theory and the practical sessions. So far now we are enjoying with the community and learning from the professors and the people who has a lot of expertise in this field. And well, we are very grateful for that now.
The experience has been exhilarating for me. I've learned a lot of things from how transmission of malaria is from asymptomatic to symptomatic, and I feel like the work that is done in Peru is quite transferable to the community, and it's impactful to the community, and we have learned a lot from our professors and teachers and also field workers who have a lot of experience. And we are glad that also we have done practical work in the field, which it really gives a touch of what we have learned in class and now.
We've had a great time translating some of the classwork to the field now. And learning some of the details about malaria and infectious disease more generally.
My expectations were really to get some more practical experience, especially in entomology, working with insects, capturing them, dissecting and so on. And I think they were fully met. We really went hands-on in the field, identified the larvae of mosquitoes, we captured the adult mosquitoes. I also had a trial at dissection under the microscope, and that was really cool. Other things that we did was really field work, enrolling participants, and I was also very much interested in the logistics, like the organization of everything. We are in big towns and big universities, and sometimes we lose touch with reality. And so this field school really reminded us that before going to the field, you have to plan, you have to think every detail through, you have to work with the local communities, the local authorities to really have a smooth field mission. Yeah, so I really enjoyed that a lot.
For me, the field school itself was, everything was highlight, but especially here being in the community with the people and see how the work actually is conducted on the field and afterwards translated in the health centers and the hospitals. It's very interesting, everything. Yeah. Actually, since I don't have any experience in this field, I had zero expectations. This is all new to me, so I didn't know what to expect, but it turned out amazing actually. It's such a great experience and I would recommend it to everybody.
The field school was very interesting. When I came for the school, I was very excited to find out what actually goes on behind the data, and that's why I decided to come forward and find out the actual process of data collection and actually what goes on. For the field school in particular, I liked everything, but what stood out the most to me was the stay at the Amazon. I think it was really interesting because we went through the entire process of gathering mosquito larvae, which was really interesting, and of course crossing the bridges, which we nearly fell, but I think that was very appreciating. I came to really appreciate the role of field epidemiology as an epidemiologist, and to know what actually matters in the data that you get. I think that is very important. I'd highly recommend this course to all the epidemiologists for at least once in your life. Thank you.
Especially for maybe students, I know that you learn a lot about the field epidemiology in theory, but it's totally different when you come here. You will actively involved in the field epidemiology, and it's better to learn and to get the knowledge not only from the school.